risk assessment, quantitative, preliminary hazard analysis, and many types of risk assessment available. Yograji, next. Risk analysis process. Understanding the risk control to control the risks. Uh, First, identification hazard. Second is the identify consequences. Which consequences are there? And assess likelihood, assess severity, and determine risk level. Which level risk there? And then after we will severity or is a uh, level risk level. We will conclude the risk level, which risk level there, and then we'll define the its controls measures. Many controls measures available in risk. Which type of risk there? We will control measure suitable for that. We will case study in boiler operations. So high pressure steam leakage, server burn fatality. So we will risk matrix. Uh, Anyone know about the risk matrix? Anyone know about the risk matrix? Risk matrix. Yeah.
Heard somewhere, but as of now, I did not recognize that. Can you revise that, please?
Your voice not clear. Just one minute. Yeah.
Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just revise that this matrix?
Pardon?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Please, please explain about this matrix, please.
Risk metric is a various standard risk metric available. We will prefer risk metrics, basically risk metrics in ISO. My next style, uh, Yograji, next. No, no, Yograji, back. Yeah, uh, back. Yeah, the risk matrix. You show this risk matrix. Example, the risk matrix boiler industries is very much example available in markets. So we will basic model select there. So Sarban fatality and maintenance, many types of nature of activities available, and then after hazards and possibility consequences available. So we will evaluate on based on that. Yograji, next. Yeah. Risk matrix available based on HRN formula. So how can we will define HRN? So we will likelihood. Second is the frequency of exposure. Third one DPA, degree of possibly harm. Then after number of persons, and then we will decide the hazard rating numbers. So which hazards available, we will conclude it. For example, calculation in the hazard in below.
What is the full form of SRM?
Pardon?
What is the full form of SRM?
Hazard. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Can you hear? Audible?
yes, yes. You are audible.
Hazards is many types of hazard.
What is the full form of SRM?
Pardon?
SRM. What is the full form of SRM?
HRN.
Yes,
Hello. Your voice not
yes,
clear,
yes,
boss.
sir.
HRN hazard rating number, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir,
Okay,
HRN is
okay,
a hazard rating number.
okay, okay.
In already showing my slide. Yograji, next. Risk priority numbers. Risk priority number is called RPN. Is severity multiply occurrence multiply detections is risk priority number. Both are different. Risk HRN and RPN both are different. So well understand basic difference. Severity, occurrence and detections all are multiplied than RPN. Many industries and experts risk assessment based on RPM, and many industries and experts risk assessment on HRN. Basically, chemical industries and petrochemical industries use HRN, and other industries use RPM, risk priority numbers. Yuvrajji, next. Risk assessment will illustration. You see, first to four. Last four is possibility and probability 0. And first one is possibility and probability is 5. So, what do we understand? How to risk assess? Who is risk assessment? Which person writes for risk assessment? So we will first case we will see possibility is 5 because in person in case behind in lions, and 5 is 4 is sorry, person is outside in cage and lion is inside in cage, so is the most safe. Evolution of risk from analysis to decision. Risk analysis is compare with risk criteria, determine risk significance, decide actions and documentations. So, Yograji, next slide. Yeah. So, risk significance guidance, consideration in evolution, decision in operations, risk evolutions method. So, risk matrix method, risk ranking methods, risk scoring methods, semi-quantitative methods, and quantitative methods. Method selected on based on the industries and based on the risk assessments. Decision option: accept the risk, treat the risk, transfer the risk, and avoid the risk. So many types of risks uh, in available in industries. So with example, we will present on my presentation is example boiler industries, basically boiler operations. So you study them. If any question, kindly drop your message in chat box. Yograji, next. Implement and controls. Basically, implements and control is most needful for any risk assessments. First, hierarchy of control, elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and PPE control. PPE control basically last line of defense, but current industry they maximum rely on PPEs. Is not right safety practice of any industries. Uh, Example of control in industry: rotating machinery, enhancing crush injury, possible of risk, which is possible of risk. Crush injury, machine guards and interlock is engineering control. SOP training, permit to work is administrative control. PPE, gloves, safety shoes, and emergency e-stop, first aid, and rescue plans. Like electrical shocks, burns is possible risk. Engineering control is engineering, RCD enclosure. Administrative control is LOTO, training, warning signs, and PP is insulated gloves, face shields, uh, face masks, etc. And emergency for fire extinguisher in emergency plants, like chemical exposure, skin burns, toxicity is possible risk. Engineering control is a closed the system and when well ventilated. Administrative control is SDP and training work permit. Chemical shoot, respirator, and emergency is eye wash and showers, spill kit. So this is, we will control measures is called control measures. So many control measures available. So we will use the control measures as per suitables, as per hazards. Yograji, next. This is our current scenario in specific Indian industries, we will majorly rely on PPE. But PPE is the last line defense. In current scenario, we will spend 80% of our efforts on the PPE and 10% control of the matter list. Is not right practice for any industry. So we will first, we will elimination, we will filter in hierarchy of insulation. So climation, elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative, and then after PPEs. So we will max risk control and reduce. Yograji, next. Monitor and review is most important after risk assessment, because many times we during my audit, many times we see we will do the right risk assessment, but monitor and review not done at least 2-3 years is not right way, because we will about the change control. If any change in process, so we will feel a change control. So why we will not updated in risk assessment? Risk assessment amendments require day-to-day basis, because we will, if we like we will add one machines, so that machines hazards level is different, so we will implement our risk assessment. So kindly refer risk assessment documents and amend it time to time. Review process collection information, analyze evolution, identify issues, decide actions, communication, implementation, and follow-ups. Key performance indicator KPI, incident rate, near miss reporting, inspection compliance, training compliance, corrective action closure, control effectiveness, and legal compliances. So we will maintain a KPI. Monitoring checklist already show in my presentation. So you well analyze and remember that. Review frequency guide, industry to industries vary, but daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually. This is a cycle of review. Anyone question? Yogaraj, next. Risk management KPIs. Risks identify. Risk assessment and analysis. Risk mitigation. Incident management. Compliance and governance. Operational risks. Static risks. And risk culture and awareness. This risk management KPIs. If you more detail, so kindly Connect with Yograji. We will share my presentations there. Yograji, next.
Less total টাকাটো commercial rehab area.
Pardon?
Commercial rehab area. Bracket is 6B. Bracket is 6B, হ্যাঁ।
Pardon?
আবার বড় হাতে করছো কেন এগুলোকে?
Pardon? Your voice not clear, sir.
Please go on.
Okay. This is for right risk assessment team members, because team member is a competent and qualified and well experienced person. Otherwise, analysis is called paralysis. So right person for team member is most important things. So which is the right person? How to select it? Yograji, next. The team leader, then safety personnel, process and plant representative, maintenance representative. Maintenance mean electrical, instrumentation, mechanical maintenance, etc. Supervisor, line representative, workers representative, and other specialists. So total 6 or 7 members require for the right risk assessment, and all are competent and well educated. Otherwise, risk assessment is paralysis. So right risk assessment is all above person is mandatory. Basic requirements of team members already shown in my presentation. Appropriate education and training, relevant work experience, knowledge of work area, understanding of risk assessment, effective communication in interpersonal skill, commitment to safety. This is a basic needs for any risk assessment team members. Yograji, next. How to select right risk matrix is most important things. First, risk matrix selection as per standard guidance. Second is standard risk matrix as per ISO 31000 and ISO 45001 guidance. Then risk score. How to define risk score? Likelihood into severity. Risk level definitions. We will first know about risk level definition. How to numbering it. Severity consequence criteria. How to define it. Likelihood probability criteria. How to define it. And implement it. Matrix selection example already show in my slide number 6 tables. Then important notes, matrix a tool, not a target. Use a judgment and experience along with matrix. Definition must be organized specific documentation. Ensure consistency in applying of the criteria. Consider opportunities and improvement along with risk. Involve relevant stakeholder in risk assessment. So this is a basic risk matrix selection criteria. So we will select risk matrix according this. Many risk matrix standard available. ISO, IEC, AS, OSAS, many already show in my slide, so you can refer it. Yograji, next. All our well aware about Bhopal gas tragedy. This is basic things not follows and it lead major accidents. You see my slide. One is what's happened, second is timelines, third is hazard identification, fourth is risk assessment before incidents, five is major safety failures, six is risk control measures, second is emergency response, and eight is lesson for learned, because we will lesson from our past in our history. So we will not repeating our future this type of accident. We will precaution for that. Yograji, next. Second is Texas City Refinery Explosion, USA, 2005. This case study, you can overview that. Number one, then what is happen in sequence? Operators begin start up the isometric unit. Feed was introduced to unit due to the level transmitter that had been bypassed. Operators did not detect in higher level in the towers. The towers become overfilled with liquid. Vapors cloud formed in the blowdown drums and relieved through the vent and then blowdown stack. Explosive occur in the stack and tower, causing massive destruction and fires. So this is type not in India. All over world, risks and hazard is present. If we will not analyze them, they leads to major accidents and casualties and fatalities. Yograji, next. My recommendation for Age of Studies book. Many books available in the markets, but this is a common books to risk assessments. So you can refer that, and if any query, kindly write to Yograji, so I will reply them. Yograji, next. Any question answers?
Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
It's a very good presentation because
Yeah,
I'm
thank you,
also,
sir.
the maintenance department. So we are also, working for the same risk assessment and all the things. We are following ASIS standards and all the things. So thanks for reviving all the parameters and all the things and for us.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm just requesting, can you share me this presentation because there are some formulas like HRM
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all
yeah,
the
yeah.
things,
Definitely,
which I forgotten.
I call the
Any,
Yogaraj. They will
yeah,
share
yeah, please,
all of the candidates, sir.
yeah, please. Sir.
Any others in-depth requirement related to risk assessment, kindly contact me. I will definitely help you.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Rahul Dev, please share me your request on email for this presentation. I will share.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Anyone?
Any question? Any question? Anyone? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank
next.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for being here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay. सॉरी योगराज जी, आपको थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो गया इसमें. No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me nice and right opportunity. ठीक है सर. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. And sir, Yogaraj sir,